Hello everyone, this is Rajshekhar. I am from Hyderabad. I was graduated and honored from Osmania University with a degree in MBA Finance. I have recently placed at Citco Group LLP Hyderabad as Investor Relations Administrations in Private Equity Department with the help of Magical Institute of Excellence. I came across Magical Institute of Excellence through social media, and I have researched on its course content and I have joined. The program is very well designed and the course content is aligned with the market trends and wants. I have acquired sound knowledge regarding investment banking, hedge funds operations, financial modeling, corporate actions, and anti-money laundering and KYC. Know your client. After successfully completion of the course, they issue the DigiLocker certificates from MIE. Magical Institute of Excellence not only helps in core finance knowledge, but it also helps in the digital communication sessions, LinkedIn profile building. Next, coming to personality development, they help to what to have in the corporate world, and for the helps in resume building, which is at most required, that is ATS friendly as required for the corporates, and they will conduct the exams and the mock sessions of the mock interviews to which we have to be ready for the interview. At last, special thanks to Pratmesh Veling sir and Vishal Bojani sir and the Magical Institute of Excellence team for giving me this wonderful opportunity to crack the interview and to be placed at Citco. Thank you for Magical Institute of Excellence. Thank you.